Want to see how AI can completely change the way you turn long videos into snackable, post-ready content, schedule it, and keep your social feed organized? Let's dive into the system. First up, let's talk about auto-editing, the magic trick that saves you hours. So here's the setup. You've got a 40-minute podcast episode, a long-form interview, or maybe a raw live stream full of great moments and a whole lot of filler. Normally, you'd scrub through, mark clips, cut and stitch, mess with transitions, hunt for captions, export a bunch of files, and then try to remember when to post each one. It's exhausting. This system just makes all of that easy. Drop your link or upload the video, YouTube, Drive, local file, whatever. The AI analyzes the whole thing, looking for moments that actually perform, laugh breaks, quick takeaways, high energy reactions, quotable one-liners, and those micro controversies that get people talking. Instead of you guessing what might go viral, the system picks the parts that are statistically more likely to land. It's like having a teammate who binge-watched viral content and knows what works. You'll get a queue of ready-to-preview clips. Each clip is already trimmed, has smooth transitions, and is formatted for different platforms. Landscape for one screen, square for another, and vertical for mobile. You can tweak any clip in seconds. Change the in-out points, add a punchy headline, pick a style template, or throw on a quick zoomer sticker. No timeline wrestling, no frame-by-frame agony. The goal is to turn an hour of footage into a stack of 30 to 60-second gems without breaking a sweat. And yes, captions handled. The system generates accurate subtitles automatically and places them where they actually read well on mobile. Font, color, background box, and timing are editable if you want to flex your brand look, but honestly, most creators just hit preview and the captions are already clean. This saves another chunk of time that would otherwise be spent in subtitle editors. Now let's talk about scheduling, because the best clips do nothing if they just sit in your drive. The auto schedule feature is low-key brilliant. You set your posting frequency, maybe twice a day for Reels, 3 times a week for Shorts, and the AI fills your calendar with the clips it thinks will perform best at the best times. It even spaces out similar content, so your feed isn't repetitive. You can improve the schedule, shuffle things around with drag and drop, or let it run on autopilot. If you're trying to be consistent, which is the secret sauce for growth, this is the easiest way to stay on track without turning into a content factory. The content calendar ties it all together. Instead of scattering files across folders and spreadsheets, the system shows everything in one place: what's scheduled, what's posted, and what's waiting for review. Need to swap a clip last minute? Drag it to a new date? Want to edit the caption or change the thumbnail? Click and update. Team-friendly permissions mean editors, social managers, and the creator can all work without creating chaos. Let me walk you through a quick demo scenario. I pulled a 55-minute interview from a video platform, a founder story with a few really spicy moments, uploaded it, hit auto-edit, and within minutes, the system served up a batch of 12 potential short clips. One clip had a funny reaction at a specific timestamp, another had a concise 30-second takeaway, and a third had a mini debate that's pure engagement fuel. I previewed them, tightened a couple of cuts, added branded captions and a bold headline, and hit apply styles, so each clip had consistent branding. Next, I chose the auto schedule option for short form video, 2 posts a day, best times. The AI populated the next 2 weeks with these clips, and even suggested caption templates with relevant hashtags. I approved the schedule, and boom, everything was queued. If you want, you can link your social accounts and the system will post directly, or you can export the final assets for manual upload. Why mention other tools? Because you've probably tried a few. Tools like older editors or manual solutions do parts of this well. Maybe they're good at transcription, maybe they have slick manual trimming, but a lot of those options have gaps. Some charge per minute or per clip, which gets pricey fast for frequent creators. Others give you raw clips but no scheduling, so you still end up juggling a content calendar. And then there are tools that require heavy manual input to set cut points, speaker labels, or publish times, which defeats the whole point of automation. The system's edge is the combination. Smart clip selection plus platform-specific formatting plus built-in scheduling equals real-time saved. Instead of paying per edit or manually exporting and uploading, you get a streamlined pipeline that turns raw, long-form footage into a consistent publishing machine. Creators who want volume and quality without the burnout will appreciate that. A few honest notes. The AI isn't perfect. Sometimes it misses a subtle emotional beat or picks a clip that needs a quick context line. For long, multi-speaker conversations, it can occasionally mishandle speaker attribution in the first pass. But the editor is fast and intuitive, so minor fixes take seconds. And compared to spending an afternoon editing, this is a massive win. Also, let's talk about creative control. Auto-editing doesn't mean you lose your voice. The system gives you templates and presets that are easy to adopt, but you can also customize everything: color schemes, caption typography, intro, outro bumpers, music beds, and thumbnail frames. For teams, you can set brand guidelines so clips stay on brand automatically. That balance between automation and control is what makes it usable for solo creators and small studios alike. What about analytics? Scheduling without feedback is just busy work. The system gives you performance insights, so future auto selections get smarter. The AI learns which clip types, lengths, and opening lines work best for your audience, and gradually biases the picks toward higher performing formats. So over time, not only do you publish more, you publish smarter. And here's a tiny pro tip. When you're repurposing a live stream or podcast, think of each episode as a 10 to 15 clip opportunity. Pick a handful of high-confidence posts to schedule right away, then use the calendar to drip the rest over the month. That cadence keeps your audience engaged and makes one recording session pay off for weeks. To wrap it up, if you're tired of editing by torture, juggling uploads across platforms, or staring at a messy spreadsheet trying to remember what to post, this system actually makes the process enjoyable. It's not perfect, but it's purpose-built for creators who want to scale without adding a full-time editor to the payroll. For those who rely on consistency and volume, it's a huge growth lever. So yeah, give it a spin, upload a long video, let the AI find the gold, tweak a bit, and let the scheduler do the heavy lifting. If you liked this walkthrough, smash that like, share with a creator buddy, and subscribe for more tips on making content that actually works. Want to show us a clip you turned into gold? Drop a link or email us. We love seeing creative use cases and may feature the best ones. Catch you next time. Keep creating and let the tools do the tedious stuff.